So thank you so much for joining me today for my lesson of learning how to read Samoan by reading the Ole Tusi Paia. Today I'm staying on John, and I want to see one of his disciples that followed him, what happened when they first met. And so I'm going to read John 1:49. This is basically when Natanielu came and saw Jesus for the first time, when Jesus approached him and he knew him. He could see that he was from under the fig tree, and it kind of astonished Natanielu, and he finally came to realize who Jesus really was. So in John 1:49 it says, Nathanael answered and saith unto him, Rabbi, thou art the Son of God, thou art the King of Israel. Now to read that same passage in Samoan, we're on Ione, chapter Tusi, and 49 will be Fa, let me think, Fa Sefulu Eva. So Fa Sefulu Eva, I marked it down here. It says, Onatali mai, lea o Natanielu ua fa'apea, mai ia te ia, rapai o, rapai o oe lava ole alu ole atua, o oe lava le tupu o isa relu. All right, thank you for joining me. That's my lesson for this week. I hope you had a wonderful Sabbath, or you're having a wonderful Sabbath today. God bless. Bye-bye. Fa se fua.